Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials. Update the Instagram app and clear any cached data so corrupted files don't persist. Once done, force quit the app and restart your phone to reset background services. This often resolves UI load faults. Next, log out and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test connection differences, because network rules and cached content can affect your home feed. Make sure to note any error messages. Those clues speed up the next steps. Now you'll dig into the algorithm side. Prune accounts you no longer want to see and unmute profiles that interfere with relevant content, because Instagram weighs interactions heavily. Once you've pared down follows, clear search history and recent interactions to reduce noise. This helps the algorithm stop reinforcing outdated patterns. Then spend intentional time engaging with content you prefer. Like, save, and comment over the next 24 to 48 hours so the system retrains. Finish by reinstalling Instagram to wipe lingering corrupted files and ensure fresh permissions, because that often clears persistent UI anomalies. Once reinstalled, verify your account on other devices to isolate whether the problem is device-specific versus account or server-related. If a widespread outage or backend issue appears, wait and monitor official channels. But if it's only your account, prepare screenshots, device model, OS version, and app log to send to Instagram support. One troubleshooting tip: test a different account on your device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.